morning. I have my drone, have everything to record everything. We are heading to Dubshed. Just waiting on Martin to grab me. So let's go. So we had to stop and get some grub. Bins falling everywhere. Food time. So the wind is violent. Martin, you know you're gonna head inside because it's brutal. So we've done loads of walking around inside, looking at loads of shit. We're outside now getting a bit of fresh air and a bit of rain. Pretty nice actually. So we're just gonna head over here. There's a big another tent thingy over here. We're gonna have a look at and see what we can find. Panel cartoon. The one panel done, yeah, with the cartoony effect. That's pretty cool. So Martin got some freebies and a few bits and pieces. He's very happy with himself. I got some freebies as well. Look at this Porsche. Mr. Coleman's Porsche looking well, as always. Back out in the sunshine. I'm just gonna walk over and watch some drifting with Martin. He's all happy with all his gear. Bought himself some lovely stuff. Right, oh, it's windy, 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 windy. So that's it, Dubshed 2024. Marty and I have had enough. It's too windy, keeps raining, and we're done. Sick of cars.
Lambo.
So the Drift Lambo was all we came for. We're over now. Peace out.